Alright, good morning internet, I'm back. So today I'm going to be setting up shop press and we're going to be getting stuck into pressing all of our bushings into all of these and getting some of this here tidied up. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while since I've done some major stuff, but this is going to be some more visual progress. So without too much more talking, I'm going to get unboxing and get this thing set up. Alright, that took me a lot longer than I thought. So, I got a big pressing thing here. I got something to stick under there, to stick on the bushing to fucking drop her down. Probably don't need the both of them there for the moment. Now we're going to be pressing our upper trailing arm bushes in first, and that's the ones that go through here. That hurt. So I'm going to go get the bushings out of the freezer and do some explaining. Oh, I'm also going to double check that the camera's in the right spot so y'all can see me. That's as good as we're going to get. Now, using what I like to call science, I have my instructions and I have a blowtorch. These have been in the freezer to get some thermal contraction happening so that these shrink in... What the fuck was that? So that these shrink in size, and then I'm going to use the blowtorch to heat this up so that it grows. So hopefully it's going to not destroy my El Cheapo import press. Anyway, we're going to get to it. I also need to clean out the inside of that. And it's gonna be too big! Never mind, I'm cleaning shit all out. Onwards. That'll do. Don't really want to heat it up enough to where the paint starts melting off it. Probably already done that. Don't know how much of a difference that's actually made, but it makes a difference in my mind. Now, that is really cold. Who would have thought? Alright, wish me luck. Now, I'm going to get a ruler because my old micrometers aren't the best anymore. It's been a while since I've done this kind of thing. Oh, he says as he literally nails it. I'll just do a touch more. Nice. Oh. Whoa, she's a little bit on the piss. Unfortunately, the downside of using quite cheap tools and less than ideal setups is there's always going to be stuff that ain't perfect. So that there at least is relatively easier to fix. So I'm just kind of gonna hope I might have to get my other bottle jack out just to level some things out. Should we need. But for now, we're gonna keep pushing, keep pressing. Upper trailing arms. Done. Next up, lower trailing arms. These are going to be a fucking nightmare. Lower trailing arms, done. Rough as fuck, yes, but done. Okay, now the real challenge is the lower control arms. So these have a bushing in this end here, and they also have the ball joint here. So my trusty friend, the die grinder, is just big enough to get in there to clean that up. So I'm going to clean that up very quickly, and then I'm going to, probably just get stuck into finding out how to brace this. As you can see in the last one, I was having a bit of issue with this closing up, so I'm going to have to brace in this end here, maybe down here too, and then smash that bush on through there. Right, so those bushes went in alright. A little bit of a nightmare, but that's where you get with cheap shit. Yeah, so those are in. Now we're going to move on to pushing in the lower ball joints. These bad boys. Sweet. Lower ball joint and the inner bush, both done. On one side. Now, see if we can replicate it. On the next one! Righto, camera died. Back at it again! Took me a couple goes to get it right because this one just went in on the piss a little bit, but yeah, that one's now done.